The decision to buy or rent a house is a significant financial choice that can have long-term implications. Many people believe that buying a home is the optimal route to build wealth, while others argue that renting offers more financial flexibility. In this video, we will explore the question of whether buying a house is a worthwhile investment for most single men, or if it is better to rent, save, and invest in other financial opportunities. While homeownership can provide stability and potential financial benefits, it also comes with significant responsibilities and expenses, such as property taxes, maintenance, repairs, and mortgage payments. Renting, on the other hand, can offer greater flexibility and lower upfront costs, but it does not allow renters to build equity in a property. Buying a house can be a significant investment and a long-term commitment. Owning a home can provide stability and security, as well as potential financial benefits such as appreciation in property value. However, owning a home also comes with responsibilities such as maintenance, repairs, property taxes, and mortgage payments. It is not necessarily true that owning a house enslaves you or prevents you from achieving financial freedom. While owning a home does come with responsibilities and expenses, such as mortgage payments and maintenance costs, it can also offer stability and potential financial benefits, such as appreciation in property value and the ability to build equity. That being said, owning a home may not be the best option for everyone, especially if the goal is to achieve financial freedom. In some cases, renting and investing in other opportunities, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, may be a better route to achieving financial independence. On the other hand, renting can offer flexibility, lower upfront costs, and fewer financial responsibilities. Renters also have the option to move more easily if they need to change location for work or personal reasons. However, renting means that you do not build equity in the property, and rent payments do not offer any return on investment. Renting a house is not necessarily a waste of money, as it can offer flexibility and convenience, as well as lower upfront costs compared to buying a home. Renters typically do not have to worry about the costs of property taxes, maintenance, and repairs, which are the responsibilities of the landlord. Renting also allows for greater mobility, as renters can move more easily without the burden of selling a property. However, some people view renting as a waste of money because it does not allow renters to build equity in a property, and they do not have the potential to benefit from appreciation in property value. Additionally, rent payments do not offer any return on investment, unlike mortgage payments, which can lead to home ownership and the potential for building wealth through property appreciation. Ultimately, whether to buy or rent a house depends on an individual's personal circumstances, financial situation, and long-term goals. It may be helpful to consider factors such as income stability, job security, housing market trends, and the cost of living in a particular area. It is also essential to consider the opportunity cost of investing money in a house versus other investment options, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. And keep in mind, the decision to buy or rent a home depends on an individual's personal circumstances and financial goals. In most cases, refraining from buying a house or paying a mortgage may be the optimal route for many single men. Instead, they can invest in other opportunities such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds that offer the potential for greater financial returns. It is crucial to carefully consider the costs and benefits of homeownership versus renting, as well as your long-term financial goals, before making a decision. I have to agree that saving money is always a good idea, regardless of whether you decide to buy or rent a home. Saving money can be a powerful tool in achieving financial freedom and building wealth over the long term. By saving money, you can build an emergency fund to protect yourself against unexpected expenses and ensure you have a cushion to fall back on in case of financial hardship. Additionally, saving money can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, such as retirement, buying a house, or starting a business. Regardless of your income level, saving money is essential for building wealth over time. It is the foundation of financial planning, and it gives you more control over your financial future. Saving money allows you to take advantage of opportunities as they arise and helps you weather economic downturns and other financial challenges. All in all, whether you decide to buy or rent a home, saving money should always be a top priority. It is a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom and building wealth over the long term. In conclusion, the video above presents a thought-provoking perspective on the question of whether buying a house is a worthwhile investment for most single men. While owning a home can offer stability and potential financial benefits, it also comes with significant responsibilities and expenses. As we discussed, the decision to buy or rent a home ultimately depends on an individual's personal circumstances and financial goals. It is crucial to carefully consider the costs and benefits of both options and to evaluate your long-term financial goals before making a decision. Regardless of whether you decide to buy or rent a home, saving money should always be a top priority. Saving money can be a powerful tool in achieving financial freedom and building wealth over the long term. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and information to help you make informed decisions about your housing and financial choices. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your financial journey.